Jago here! Welcome back, or welcome. If it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech. Like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start a review of AGM phone, AGM H6. This is a rugged phone, and spoiler alert, is very slim. In this video, I'm gonna tell you all about this phone. Specs, how it runs, are you able to play games? We're gonna do a test outside with the cameras, and in the end, I'm gonna tell you a few words the price. With this said, let's start a review. Looking at the price, the AGM H6 has a price tag of £229.98 in UK. For the US, the price tag is $229.99. Like always, I'm gonna leave a link in the video description. Please check him up for best price and product information. The box is really cool and simple. Inside you have the manuals with some stickers included, the HC smartphone, the power brick with a USB-A port and the USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. Let's have a look at the AGM H6 more in detail next. The design of the AGM M6 rubber phone is really different from the traditional rugged phones. The H6 is really slim, lightweight, with a large flat screen. When you pick it up, you will see how solid the build is. It is slightly rubberized around the corners, along with detailing on the back to ensure a firm grip on all conditions. On the right side, you have the power button that also works as a fingerprint scanner. Above that is the volume control button, both with precise click. On the opposite side, you have the bright yellow button that can be customized in the settings. At the front, you have a 8 megapixels camera, and at the back a 50 megapixels camera. At the bottom, you have the USB-C port for charging that's covered, and a speaker. At the top, the 3.5mm headphone jack that is also covered. The AGM H6 has a very simple design with a large 6.56 inch screen. The phone is slim and stylish, and it is rated IP68, meaning it is waterproof. Let's see the AGM H6 specs next. So, powering the AGM H6, you have the octa-core Unisoc T606 with Android 13. You have 16GB of RAM, 8GB physical plus 8GB virtual, and you have 256GB of storage, expandable up to 512GB with one TF card. The H6 has 3 slots, 2 for nano SIMs and 1 for TF cards. It has NFC, fingerprint and face recognition, GPS. The front camera is 8 megapixels and the back camera is 50 megapixels. More on this later. It is IP68, IP69K, waterproof and dust resistant, plus shock resistant also. It has a 4900 mAh battery with super fast 18 watts. A very impressive list of features. Having a decent battery life is important on a rugged phone. The AGM H6 has a 4900 mAh battery, giving you up to 24 hours of talk, 22 hours of music, and a decent amount of web browsing and video playback. And when you run out of battery, you have a 18 watts fast charging. Looking at the cameras next, the H6 is not aimed for photography or video. It has a 50 megapixel primary camera with the 2 megapixels macro lenses, and an 8 megapixel front camera for video calls. The camera 50 megapixel sensor uses a Samsung GN1 Plus GC02M1, which is a good middle range sensor. Please see the camera's test next. Right guys, so this is a video using the face camera of the H6. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the quality. Right guys, so now I'm using the back camera, so 50 megapixels camera, and yeah, let me know in the comments. It will be a little bit shaky, it doesn't have stability, you have to use a gimbal. Oh, the sun in my face. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the quality of the camera, back camera. Let's go back inside and carry on with the review. using the phone to make calls alongside the pre-installed apps and a few other like TikTok was not a problem. The H6 was fast and very responsive, with the large touchscreen responding well in most conditions. Listening to music or watching videos, it was also a good experience and lag-free. For everyday use, there is no faults with the H6. I was also able to run PUBG with no lag. The smoothness of the experience is not the same of my iPhone 15 Pro Max, however, it could still do the job, which was very impressive. The AGM H6 Rugged Phone has a balance between rugged durability and a very user-friendly design. It is a phone that doesn't try to be more than it is. Its slim design, together with all the certifications, makes it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. It offers more than enough power for essential tasks like calls, emails, YouTube watching, and even gaming. Gives you the possibility of using 2 SIM cards. The H6 is a rugged phone that is simple to use and has a very accessible price point, making it a very solid choice if you are looking to buy a new rugged phone. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the AMG H6. I still can't get how thin this phone is and how lightweight and is a rugged phone. Well, anyways, guys, if you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, now it's time to subscribe. If you want to buy it, please use the links in the video description. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.